Good evening, class. Last day, last semester. People that's graduating December the 18th, I know you're excited. My name is Nicole Jordan, and I'm going to be doing my digital portfolio technology and the classes that we were doing in Dr. Birch's class. I want to start with my scavenger hunt. I'm doing classes on healing treasures, getting over codependency. As you can see, I have all the quotes and what did you lose yourself and how the students can go into writing essays and uploading into a recording digital process. Also, I have a video of understanding codependency. You can go ahead and click on that, students, and this is part of the project of the treasure hunt. And I had a game right here. It is the self-care wheel, where you have to have a red and blue balloon, and as the wheel turns, you should know positive and negative behavior. And that's part of the scavenger hunt that I had. Part 2, the updated portfolio. And I said updated portfolio, where we did a collaborative evaluation tool with our group. Or one of our leaders, that was Nathan. We did the thermal course where you had to go ahead and answer all these questions, and it was really interesting as we did that. Then we went to Pinterest. The Pinterest was so good. I was talking about the Avid program and how I wanted to get Avid, so that's my little project there. It's all these little collaboratives and positive affirmation and Cornell notes that help students to get focused and get ready to renew their mind and get ready for the school year. Then I had, a beautiful picture of myself. Ha ha ha. And here is the other, I think this is the other group project where we had to communicate on discussion. Nathan was our leader. We were all involved. We did all that collaborative through text and email. That's what we did. The first week of class, we had to do an introduction board form. We also had to reply. That's what we did for the first week. Here's another picture of me. The interesting project that I did, and I understand and I learned, was the Weebly account. It was very techy, difficult, but I got through it. As you can see here, you could click on the different tabs in the process and evaluation and teacher's page. This was my Weebly page. It was kind of like by me, what student had to do, the process. Let's see here on this one. Oh, there you go. That's all the tabs and the research that I did. The process, the evaluation, the credits. That was what we did on the webcrest.org. We had to use Vargo. We had to do an audio response and discussion with the transcript. As you see, that's part of the project. We did that. We replied to 2, and we had to do 1. Last but not least, we had to do an ending of child meditation to get your mind renewed and strength for the next day. And this was one of the parts of my treasure hunt for healing or getting over codependency. This is Nicole Jordan, and I would like to thank you for stopping by. Any comments and feedback is appreciated. So have a great and prosperous week. One more thing, I am so sorry I did not answer this question. What was the most significant advice or most encouraging feedback I received from a colleague through the course? Well, I'm going to say Dr. Burgess told me, stop overthinking. Don't put too much on it. And I think also Michelle said that I'm overdoing stuff, and sometimes I overthink. The piece, like I said before, was the webcrest, and that was really, that helped me think outside the box. And I think what it is like, by me not being a teacher, I have so much respect for teachers and educators who do this on a daily basis, because I'm on the behavior counseling side as a high school advisor. So now I want to say goodbye and God bless you. Sorry for the interruption.